Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the video response to Chona, my dear friend, and this is her birthday and 200 subscriber tag challenge. Uh, yeah, for the details, I will pop the link below the description box. And so, yeah, and now I'll show you what I made. Okay. Yeah, for her request is any style, any theme, any color, any material you can use for make the tag. And this is the tag that I made in the Tudor theme, and I already punched a hole but haven't hang any the ribbon here yet. So yeah, Chona, her favorite color is blue, but I like pastel blue, so I make a very soft color for her. So yeah, this is the tag. Is I fussy cut out all this and make dimension for this tag, and I use my handphone mobile to record this, so a bit clumsy here. So this is the crochet. I use the car just to hold this, and you open up. It's like so. It's a coated, or yeah, it's a shop. So you see the perfume and shoes and the dress form and another shoes here, and yeah, very simple tag. And I put the glitter on the flower car and the bunny here, and that's so. And this is all the die cut is from the Tudor collection that I have, that my dear friend, my young friend live at now, Linda. Hi Linda, how are you? Yeah, miss you and Anne so much. And she last in 2000, I believe it's in 2015 or 16, she sent me a huge package of the Tudor collection, and I just keep them in my holding word, and I just take some sticker to make this tag. Yeah, just love Tudor. So, and all this is fussy cut out from print out from Pinterest, some of the perfume bottle and the shoes. So that's so, and very simple and pretty. And I make this Tudor is because of I don't match with the item that I make for Chana, for our swap. So I will ship this together with the swap package, and I also have another video to show you what I made for her. So yeah, this is the tag, and she requests to write your name and birthday, your YouTube name and social media name, and craft style, and favorite color, material you use for crafting, and email address. Yeah, all this. So I list it down, and the size for the tag is 4 inches by 7. I believe the line, my one is 4, but maybe the line is a bit long. Yeah, if too long, Chana, you can cut shorter. Okay, so yeah, this is my Tudor theme tag for Chona entry, and the deadline is 30th January, so you still have time to submit your entry if you are interested. Yeah, this is easy and simple to make. So yeah, hope you all like the simple tag that I made for Chona and challenge. And Chana, I really hope you like this tag. So yeah, thanks again for everyone for your subscribes and for your support. And please feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And bye bye.